Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni. Guys, let's gossip. Lalela, people should stop spoiling the luxury lifestyle because it's really tough out there. It comes with a price. I mean, look at Sithelo Shozi, Andile's baby mama. We all thought Miguel was happy, but she dropped some heavy files yesterday. She came with files that Andile Mpisane, the Royal AM chairman, abused him. She shared the news via her Insta stories messages. She wrote, "I'm getting to the facades you and your family paint and how everything has been concealed thus far." Another message said, "You all mocked me and made me a ridicule out of when I was left with a 3-month-old child. But little did you know that was God saving me from eventually taking my own life. Nothing has been more liberating. I saw God's hand in my most vulnerable place." Musa also took it to the Twitter and captioned those messages, "Guys, I wanna give you all the gossip, but I like to drink as well." Fact of the matter is Sithelo is ready to tell all about Sean Kissa's perfect family she created in her head following her failed marriage. Talk about living your dream through your children. There was another WhatsApp screenshot, a conversation between Sithelo and Andile. Andile said, "Let's see you makes it out alive." Yurr, such the English right there. He continued, "Who makes it out alive?" She responded, "If there's one thing I don't need, it's this drama of yours in my life." Andile responded, "I am going to make your life very hard. Carry because you're poking me. Always angry, you're never happy, you never appreciate, telling me why did you have children with me. You had the first child and you saw who I was and what I love and don't. Love you always have a problem. You want love, you don't want to be spoiled. You don't want to live in a better place. You don't want your life to change. What is your problem really? Do me a favor and go to Peter Marisbeck today. Please." Sithelo replied with a laughing emoji. "You must think you can control me?" Andile said, "K." She said, "If a court case is what you want, then it's fine." Andile said, "Let the game begin. You think court is a joke? I see you." Sithelo said in her Instagram stories, "Let's start with when I was beaten into a pulp and had a miscarriage at the hands of my so-called victim in my room full of his family and friends, rushed to the nearest hospital and treated like nothing ever happened." She also said, "Or should I speak about the beatings I'd get every week or a monthly followed by a bunch of flowers, so I'd never speak out." This is really shocking, guys. We honestly thought they were very happy. Andile and his mother haven't commented on these allegations. Well, sometimes it's better to hustle your own things than spoiling to flaunt someone's wealth because it comes with a price. If Andile really did this, he was wrong. He was wrong. Women are not objects. Share your thoughts on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.